Oh god, this is windy and rainy. Oh god. Ah, oh, get a little bit of fresh air. Have a cold. Yep. Eh. Jesus, has that just filled up from the rain? Oh god, every time I step out, it starts coming down heavier. Actually, I probably shouldn't be out too long considering I do have a cold. I know the cold doesn't actually give you the cold, but probably not a good idea. Plus, it is actually pretty cold. Not that that bothers me, but I'm using my iPhone again. Squish. It's a little crap from the roof. I feel like the birds keep knocking this off. I really don't know, like from the gutter. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not walking on the on the grass, on the mud just yet. I'm probably also going to go in. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I might make this one just a quickie. My phone is getting wet. I'm using the that little wireless microphone as well, which probably see it just there. See how that sounds. So, oh, I am actually feeling a bit of the chill. I am out here in barefoot in short sleeve t-shirt, so I'm definitely not wrapped up warm. I'm also pretty sure our gutters are slightly blocked. They're clogged up at the very least. I'm also assuming that this microphone is actually working, because I've no idea. Loads of very wet wood. Well, they're presumably in the fire. That's gonna dry out quite quick, but yeah. I'm pretty sure this is just like muddy grass from the roof. Hmm. 1:57 on the 18th of December, and it is very gloomy. Hmm. My nose is starting to run. I probably should actually go indoors. So, yeah, this probably will actually be a bit of a quick one. If I was wearing something a bit warmer, like a hoodie, probably could have stayed out a bit longer. But yeah. Also, this phone is getting wet, and it is pointing downwards, so the water could get into the sort of like the microphone slit, so the speaker slit at the top. And yeah, I've had the screen out, so the seal around the bezel doesn't exist, so it's not actually as watertight as it would normally be. So I also keep hitting the microphone with my chin, so I could actually be making the sound go weird. So yeah, I will go in now. So, before I make my cold any worse. So yeah, not much left to say. Thank you for watching. Bit of a quick one, but I did just make another barefoot in the rain video using my camcorder, so you can watch that as well. You got two. So yeah, yeah. Bye for now.